But what was his reaction? Could you understand? Look at your book. It was impossible for him to gather together the 100 pesos. I have already told you peso means currency. So 100 pesos is not a joke. So it was impossible for him. For whom? Impossible for whom? For the postmaster. It was hard for the postmaster to gather together the 100 pesos. Could I understand? It was impossible for whom? For the postmaster. What was impossible? To gather 100 pesos. So he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. The postmaster collected money from his friends, close friends, employees, and from his salary, but he could only gather just more than the half of the money asked for by Lencho. Could you understand? Who collected? The postmaster. He put the money in an envelope. Where did the postmaster put the money? Where did the postmaster put the money? The postmaster put the money in an envelope. Addressed to Lencho and write the address of Lencho on the envelope. What did the postmaster do? The postmaster put the money in the envelope, wrote the address on the envelope, and sent to Lencho. And with it, a letter containing only a single word is a signature, that is God. Generally, at the end of a letter, we put our sign or put our signature. So he wrote a letter. Who wrote? The postmaster. Whom? Lencho. Postmaster wrote a letter, and at the end of the letter, instead of giving his signature, he just wrote God. That means to Lencho from God. Could you understand? To address is Lencho. From address is God. Could you understand? The postmaster did it. Could you understand what the postmaster did? The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual. Listen to me. After posting the letter, Lencho used to come to post office daily in order to know whether a letter has been sent to him or not. Whether a letter had been sent to him or not. Who used to come to post office daily? Who used to come to post office daily? Lencho. Why? To know whether there was any letter for him or not. Could you understand? One day, Lencho went to the post office a bit earlier. Every day he used to go to post office at 9 a.m. in the morning. But that day, Lencho Just I am giving an example, not a right 9 a.m. That is not true. It's an example. But that day, Lencho went to post office just 5 minutes earlier. Then his usual time. Who used to go to post office? Lencho. So to ask if there was a letter for him. Could understand? This is the incident of a typical Sunday. The following Sunday, I am talking about the following Sunday. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him. Who handed the letter? The postman. To whom? To whom? To Lencho. The postman himself handed the letter to Lencho. While the postmaster experiencing the contentment of man, the postmaster was inside the office. The postmaster was observing everything. What was going on between the postman and the Lencho? He observed that. Who observed? The postman. The postmaster observed the satisfaction of Lencho after receiving the letter. Could understand? Where was the postmaster? The postmaster was inside the office. Who handed the letter to Lencho? The postman handed. While the postmaster experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. The postmaster was observing all the things that are going on between the postman and Lencho, not the Lenchos. Lencho. That is Lencho. Okay. Who was observing? The postmaster was observing from inside the office. Lencho showed not the slightest. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Lencho received the letter along with the money. Could understand? Who received the letter?
Lencho.
And what did he receive along with the letter? Received some money along with the letter. But he was not surprised by getting the money. Surprised on seeing the money, such was his confidence. But he became angry, not angry. But he became angry when he counted the money. Could understand? Instead of becoming surprised, he became angry. Who became angry? Lencho. After when he counted the money, he got angry. So let's know what made him angry. Lencho should be happy, but instead of becoming happy, he became angry. But we don't know why he was angry. Let's know why he was angry. Who was angry? Lencho was angry. God could not have made a mistake. Lencho said himself. Who said it? Lencho said it. What did Lencho say? God could not have made a mistake. Anyone can make a mistake. But God is always good. And God will not make a mistake. So what mistake had taken place, let's know. Nor could he have denied. God is such a person that he could not deny anyone's plea, anyone's prayer. So Lencho, what he had requested, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. Could understand? Actually, the matter is suspense here. What happened? We don't know. It is not clearly mentioned, but Lencho got angry and indirectly blamed someone else. Whom he was blaming, we don't know. Okay? So, this is all about the Launcher's reaction after receiving the letter. We shall discuss actually what made angry and what was the fact. We will come to know it in our next class, in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.